Hello everyone, my name is Marvelous and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reacting to someone who is a big problem. Yes, it's a huge problem. At least, well, not even to me, to everyone. We all know that. The I heard he released songs. I didn't even know it was releasing music. I didn't even know it was releasing songs. It's crazy. I don't think I'm ready. I waited. Okay, I waited to react to it here on YouTube. Wish me luck. And if you want to see me react to other videos, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Because we're going to be reacting to a lot of people who decided, why don't we kill all the K-pop fans this month? Why don't we destroy them totally for once? NCT. Well, let's get back. So we're going to be reacting to the Love Me Again. Love me again. Love me again. Like why love me again? I loved you before. I don't want to love you again. I know that this is going to be wonderful. So let's go. Okay, maybe okay. Let me just relax. Let me just let's relax, marvelous. Let's relax. His voice is so beautiful. I've not even heard him sing yet. Okay, so I'm doing this. I'm doing it. Alright, I am doing it. Let's go. Shut up, Pete. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. We are not doing this today. Not today. Not today. Not today. This is way too much. Oh my god, this voice. You know what? I'm just going to not smile, not think about anything, just listen. Because okay, if I decide to just show my total reaction, we're not gonna live here today. So just do it. Oh no. I can't do this. This song is so beautiful too. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm too close to the camera. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? I'm pretty close to the camera. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay.
Love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again. Again. I wish you would love me again.
And have you seen his face? Oh my god, it's looking so good. It's looking so good. The song is so good. I've listened to every one of these songs, whether covers or singles. V is one of my favorite K-pop artists. His voice is beautiful. That's all I can use to describe his voice. His voice is beautiful.
No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. 나만 찾고 이런 거지. 내 옆에 딴 사람 괜찮니? 여천으로 천천히. Make you feel better, you make it forever. 괜찮다 말하지 마. Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말이야 떠나지 마. 저리까지만 말해. 그래도 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 머무는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby.
This song is making me feel. Yeah, I wanna get this song. The place of shooting, is that a cave? Or it's just a set? Just the background. It looks real though. It really looks like a video game. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I reacted. That was so good. That was so good. I definitely will be adding this to my playlist. It's good. So I really don't know what else to say. That is good. So let's just go right to the next one. Let's destroy ourselves again. Yes. To the next. His eyes. His eyes are like the. Okay. Okay. The rainy days.
Stay on trend
next
this
one.
summer with Visa.
Let's go.
Enjoy exclusive summer shopping deals and more. Courtesy of Visa. Visit visa.com.ng.
An art, sorry. So, oh my god, not a piano, not a piano. No, I'm not ready for this. Oof. This has a similar voice to scenery. It has a similar voice to scenery. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sorry about that noise. Just ignore it, please. Thank you. No, don't do that. We don't do that with your hands. Tell him not to do it that with his hand. What's it doing? Why is your hand there? Why is your hand there? Why is he staring into myself?
I'm thinking about what to say. Shining how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Shining how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, a cage, hoping for lately. I've been on my
Oh, I saw that.
own,
The birds V.
이젠 지난 일에 Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still
Oh,
the
it's
same.
done.
늦었지만 우리 다시 Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days.
Really. There's something I just realized from these two tracks. First one was Love Me Again. That means the girl probably fell out of love, and now rainy days, like rainy days, when it's rainy days, I miss you. I can't get used to routine without you anymore. Heartbreak songs.
I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
I'm telling you, there's no way he doesn't know what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. Why the lips? I'm pretty sure we didn't need that lips. Was it needed? Do we need it? No. Maybe. He really knows what he does. It's like, no, he knows.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Sing along for a minute there. Rainy days. That was really good. Like really, really, really good. So, obviously, Love Me Again, Rainy Days. Missing someone. Are you missing someone? Heartbreak songs. Oh my god. I love the songs. They're definitely going on my playlist. So that's the reaction to these tracks, singles, songs. Sorry. Anyways, thank you for watching my reaction. I will see you in the next video. If you like my reaction, please like, subscribe. I'll definitely be watching the videos because we have twice. If you know, you know. Our girl released a song too. I just can't. But maybe that will be the next video, I'm not sure. But like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.